Have you ever wanted to display huge datasets interactively? What about interacting with a 50 million taxi rides dataset? At Shapelets, we support interactive visualizations for very large datasets out of the box. We have ported to Python. Mosaic, a framework for interactive visualization from the UW Interactive Data Lab, and the results are quite impressive. We have respected the syntax of the original project, and it is really simple to use. Connect datasets. Create visualizations. Host a data app. Organize the layout of your dashboard. And click and run. So, here we have our dashboard, displaying 50n taxi trips. Have you noticed how fast it loads? Mosaic provide us with multitude of different visualizations. For example, here we have rasters, which we are using to represent 50 million departures and drop-offs. There is so many points, the raster automatically depicts NY street map. The horizontal bars are the number of trips by company and day of the week. Density estimators that allow us to infer the distribution of trip durations and distances. It is very easy to see what the averages for durations and distances are. Finally, we have a study of the expected tip, colored by taxi company and grouped by time of the day. We placed a slider to change the confidence intervals of the calculated tip values. One of the nice things about Mosaic is that one can make everything interactive and linked. So, one can start by filtering, for example, here, for taxi departures from Central Station, and immediately, the rest of the dashboard refreshes and reacts to the current selection. Filters and selections work together. For example, let's play with the distance density estimator. It feels quite natural for the user to interact with this controls, as any change of them immediately causes the screen to refresh and display up-to-date information. Let's move to downtown. You can drag and drop, move and change filters as it suits you best for your analysis. Let's focus on DDS and Saturdays and Sundays. Ready to explore more? Contact us. hello@shapelets.io